Over the past few years, Albania has faced mounting criticism over its deteriorating record on freedom of expression and press independence. Despite improvements in its legal and institutional frameworks, the reality for journalists remains precarious. Political influence, corporate ownership, and judicial pressure have combined to create an environment where speaking truth to power often comes at a personal cost. The case of investigative journalist Elton Kaino exemplifies this troubling reality. After exposing corruption and organized crime, his home was raided, his equipment seized, and he was interrogated for hours under the pretext of legal investigation. Only in April 2025 did the Constitutional Court of Albania overturn these actions, declaring them unconstitutional and reaffirming the protection of journalistic sources as a cornerstone of democracy. This ruling, while historic, exposed the deeper tension between Albania's judiciary and the principle of media freedom. At the same time, a draft criminal code proposed in 2025 has raised serious concerns among international rights organizations. Articles criminalizing offending public morality or discrediting the judiciary could easily be weaponized against critical journalists, transforming legitimate scrutiny into prosecutable offense. International bodies, including Reporters Without Borders, the European Federation of Journalists, and the Committee to Protect Journalists, have urged the Albanian government to revise the law in accordance with European human rights standards. Yet, the challenges go far beyond legislation. Prime Minister Edi Rama's public confrontations with journalists, including acts of humiliation during press conferences, reflect a broader culture of political dominance and institutional intolerance toward criticism. Such behavior, echoed by senior officials, has normalized intimidation and fostered fear instead of transparency. At its core, Albania's media crisis is not merely legal, it is systemic. The intertwining of political and economic interests, the fragility of regulatory institutions, and the erosion of public trust have together weakened the very foundation of free expression. Until genuine independence, transparency, and accountability are restored, Albanian journalism will remain trapped between law and power, where the truth itself becomes the first casualty. Freedom of expression is not a privilege, it is the lifeblood of democracy.